Are you thinking about grabbing a session guitarist library for kontakt, but stuck between Ruby Deluxe and Mint? You are not alone. These are two of the most popular guitar libraries from Native Instruments, and they both cover very different flavors of electric guitar. In this video, I'm going to break down what makes each library unique and how they sound in the mix, which genres they shine in, and most importantly, which one you should buy. Stick around until the end of the video because I'll give you my personal recommendation. Let's start with the basics. Both Ruby Deluxe and Mint are part of the Session Guitar series. That means they're designed to give you realistic guitar performances without needing to actually play guitar yourself. You get strumming, picking, riffs, and customizable patterns all recorded on iconic instruments. Ruby Deluxe is built around a vintage hollow body electric. Think smooth jazz tones, warm R&B textures, and cinematic clean vibes. Mint, on the other hand, is built on that classic Fender Stratocaster sound. Bright, snappy, and super versatile. It's perfect for funk, pop, rock, and disco-style rhythm guitar. If you want tight, percussive grooves, or that classic Strat quack, Mint delivers. So, how do they actually sound? With Ruby Deluxe, you're getting warm, rounded mids and a softer top end. It's not a guitar that cuts aggressively through the mix. Instead, it blends beautifully. Picture late night soul, lo-fi hip-hop, chill wave, or even cinematic scoring. Chords sound lush, and single notes have this buttery sustain. Mint, by contrast, is all about clarity. The top end is glassy, and it has more bite in the mid-range. Strum chords sound tighter, funk licks pop, and arpeggios cut through even dense mixes. It has more of that instant radio pop presence. So, to sum it up, Ruby Deluxe is smooth and velvety, while Mint is crisp and punchy. Now let's talk features and playability. Both libraries give you a wide range of patterns, voicings, and built-in effects. But there are some key differences. Ruby Deluxe leans heavily on sustained chords, jazzy extensions, and smooth progressions. You'll find a lot of major 7s, 9s, and chord voicings that just feel at home in soul or R&B. It's less about flashy strumming and more about atmosphere. Mint, on the other hand, is rhythm-focused. It's full of funky strums, muted chops, and syncopated patterns. It's all about groove. Drop it into a disco funk track and it instantly locks into the beat. Both allow you to play melodies note for note, but the overall vibe is different. Mint feels like a rhythm guitarist driving the groove. Ruby Deluxe feels like a mood guitarist painting the vibe. So where would you actually use these guitars? Ruby Deluxe shines in chilled R&B, neo-soul, film scoring, and anything that needs dreamy guitar beds. It's also great for hip-hop producers who want warm, sampled style guitar without digging through vinyl or hiring a player. Mint works best when you need energy and rhythm. It's perfect for funk, upbeat pop, indie rock, or even electronic house tracks that use live sounding guitar loops. If you want your guitar to push the groove forward, Mint is the go-to. Here is an easy way to remember it. Ruby Deluxe is mood and vibe. Mint is movement and groove. So, if you can only buy one, which one should it be? If your music leans towards chill, soulful, cinematic, get Ruby Deluxe. It'll give you lush textures that sit beautifully in modern productions. If your music leans toward groovy, rhythmic, or danceable, get Mint. It'll inject that classic Strat funk into your tracks instantly. Of course, if you can afford both, they actually complement each other really well. Ruby Deluxe gives you smooth, lush tones. Mint gives you funky grooves. It's like having two session players with totally different personalities on call whenever you need them. So that's the breakdown. Ruby Deluxe versus Mint. One's smooth and sultry, the other's bright and funky. Which one fits your style depends entirely on the kind of music you make. If you want to try them for yourself, feel free to click the affiliate link located in the description box below. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning towards. And if you already own one, Share your experience so other producers can learn from it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future breakdowns. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.